Hello Androiders, welcome to Android in 5 minutes. Today we're gonna see how to insert these text views in the rows of our recycler view. So let's go! In the last video we created this recycler view of images, and today we're going to improve the layout of this row by adding a text view on the bottom. So the first thing that I will do is to open my row.xml file, which is the layout of my rows, and I will add a source for the image view so I can preview it. Okay, now I will move this image view into a relative layout. Okay, and below the image view I will add a linear layout. I will set the height to 44 dp and I will set the alignment to parent bottom and also the background dark gray. Finally, I will set an alpha of 0.2 and I will have this linear layout transparent. Okay, now I will copy this linear layout and paste it here again, but this time I will not use the background. I will use instead a text view. This is the text view that I want to customize in my adapter, so I will set the ID my text view. Okay, great. For previewing, I will also set a text. Okay, I will set the size to 26 sp, alright, and a margin left of 80 dp. And finally, for the linear layout, I will set the gravity to center vertical. Fine, the layout of the row is done. Now I will open the class myAdapter, and actually I only support an array list of bitmaps in this class, and it needs to support images and texts now. So I will create a new Java class which will support those properties for me. New Java class. I will call this class myObjectProvider. Okay, and inside the myObjectProvider I will create another class that I will call myObject. This class will contain an int image ID and a string text. Okay, out insert for the getters and setters, and it's done. Now I have a class that represents my image view and the text. Okay, I will create a local context for the myObjectProvider, and I will hit Alt Insert to create a constructor to it. Finally, I will create a method to return the array list of my objects. I will call this method getObjects. Okay, I will create the return type. Alright, Alt Enter, and here it is. I need to instantiate this object. Okay, done. In order to create the objects, I will use this for from 1 to 6. 6 is the number of images that I have available. And I will create a new myObject. MyObject equals to new myObject. Okay, now I will set the image ID for my object. The image ID I will get from my context.getResources.getIdentifier. The first parameter is the name of the file, img underscore the string value of my I. The second parameter is my drawable folder, and the third parameter is the context.getPackageName. I will also set the text for this object. It will be image and the index I. Finally, I add the object to the array list myObjects. Okay, it's done. Now, in the class myAdapter, I will change the array list of bitmaps to array list of my objects. I will also hit Shift F6 to change the name of the array list to my objects. Okay, now I can populate my array list with new my object provider passing the context dot get objects. Okay, at this point I have my provider of images and texts, and what I need to do is to finish the configuration of my view holder, adding the TextView to it. TextView equals to TextView item view.findViewById r.id.textview. Great. I also need to make some changes in the method onBindViewHolder. I will replace the setImageView by setImageResource, and I will pass the ID of my image view in the parameter. I will set the TextView.setText as well, and I pass my objects at the position dot get text. Okay, this is all I need to populate my Recycler view with images and text. So let's run the application and see the results. Okay, it's running fine, and now we can see the images and the texts with the index of each row. That's it for today. In the next video we will see how to add a star on this corner to make the rows favorite or not. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. See you next time. Bye bye.